The Colorado family. Introducing the all-new Canon Colorado M Series. This next-generation 1.6-meter roll-to-roll production printer series takes our game-changing Canon UV gel technology to the next level. Designed to help you stay on top of your game, these printers deliver fast turnaround jobs on time and meet ever-increasing application demands. With its modular design, unprecedented productivity, sustainability, and now even wider and unique application range, the Colorado M Series delivers speed and versatility at a low operation cost, today and tomorrow, and for years to come. The Colorado M Series combines all the benefits of eco-solvent, latex, and traditional UV in a single machine, thanks to patented UV gel technology, now also with white ink. Level up your game with Flex Finish Plus and be able to print matte, gloss, or even a combination of the two in one print, all at the push of a button. Time to meet the Colorado Series. The Colorado M3W brings UV gel technology, flexibility, and versatility to lower print volumes and investment levels, opening up new opportunities and markets for your business. Then there's the Colorado M5W. Our flexible production flagship can handle just about anything you throw at it. And with the UV gel advantage, you get uncompromised quality, versatility, and productivity at the lowest operating cost. To complete the family, we have the Colorado M Factories. The UV Gel Print Factory brings the advantages and quality of UV gel to high-volume jobs. Fully automated, its integrated workflow street starts with a jumbo roll bulk input system that feeds seamlessly into the Colorado printer. Then the output is collected on another jumbo roll take-up system at the end. We are talking true lights-out manufacturing, and one that delivers the UV gel technology promise of quality in quantity. Finally, there's the UV Gel Wallpaper Factory, the solution for mass-customized automated wallpaper production. A high-volume, end-to-end workflow solution that's GreenGuard Gold certified and designed for maximum high-quality throughput that can run all day long. Again, it's fully automated, from the bulk-sized media input straight through to the finished rolls, ready for shipping. This is truly digital, done right. The Colorado M Series. Level up your game.